For me?
I'm sorry. I don't really care for Butterfingers.
No, that's okay. But giving them to me, she's gonna get mad at you.
No, you're still
You ready?
as squishy as
Yep.
you were before. Squishy.
Piece of chocolate.
I hope
A lot of sugar in there.
Yeah.
I hope I got the right size.
Iron Man.
The invincible Iron Man.
I figured you all like Iron Man's.
Yeah,
Gotta hold
right.
it up again. I got a picture of it.
XL, that should fit my big belly.
And it's also a V-neck. You know how gay you'd look in a V-neck?
Whoa.
Top in, I'll take that.
Oh, it's really sparkly.
Ooh, I like that.
Hello, my name is Trouble.
That is
Totally.
so you.
Thank you, Kate.
You're welcome.
That is